Hello everyone, Archana here. I'm here with another new kit and new collection. And this collection is amazingly beautiful. It is by Scrap and Me company and collection called Amidst The Roses. And this collection has 6 design, 12 papers, 2 of each, and I have added 2 complementary papers here. I'll show you. Basic collection has 6 designs, 6 papers, but I'm sure everybody wants 2 sets of each paper, so I thought I will just add 2 of them here. And of course we will have all the embellishments, but before that I'll show you this stunning collection. And this collection is peach, totally peach color, and there is a complementary color which is sea foam color. Peach and sea foam, you can see together, absolutely stunning. These 2 colors totally gave this collection a kind of richness, so I'll show you. This is the first page. Of course you can use all these images, but there is this thing on the back, all the cutouts, very pretty. And this page, I will try my best to show you each and everything from the page. And of course I just wanted to show you these colors. Sometimes you cannot see right colors, but I think here we can see seafoam color, right? And here is the another side, and this design is up and this is down, so you can use both designs. And here are the 2 pages, very pretty. And back side like that, you can see, so cute, right? Wow, nice. Roses and scripts, really romantic. And back side has so many roses all over. Beautiful. Back side is like that. And these last 2 pages from the collection, which has designs on the corners, and back side is plain, kind of like, and then I have added couple of complementary pages, which these pages are basically for fussy cutting. You can see all these cutouts here, which I did for my album. And here you can see, and they are very easy to cut. You can see it's really nice sharp edges these images has, so not very complicated to fussy cut them. And back side is plain. And leaves, of course we need lots of leaves for our decoration, so there are so many variety of leaves with different colors, very pretty. And back side is plain. And I'll show you all the embellishments, but before that I'll just get this page up so you can see how I coordinate all the flowers and embellishments. So you can see these roses and flowers has white highlights, so I'm very glad I have these Prima flowers which already have the white highlight and some kind of glitter on them. You can see how perfectly match them. I'll show you on my album in the plastic you cannot see those highlights, but here you can see, right? So you don't need to use gesso or any kind of glitter for these. So this is my album. I created folio. I'll show you later on. I didn't finish inside yet, but I finished the cover. And I posted this picture on my Instagram, and I have another layout of this cover page on my Facebook. It's my cover page, I mean Facebook cover page. If you want, feel free to check that cover page. So these flowers, they are very soft. If you touch them, they are really soft flowers, and really go well with this. And of course only peach color will be overwhelming for this project, so I added some of the creams and whites, but again I have these peach color roses. These are cabbage roses, 10, and these are open roses. These are peach color. I'm not sure if you are seeing them a little bit darker, but they are peach colored. And I have ivory, 10 of these roses. And since these bouquet has, you can see this cluster has some white flowers here and there, so I thought I'll just put some of these ones in this kit. So I have 10 of these, and I have seam binding, of course, for your closure or whatever you want to do, like bow or something. So this is 1 yard in peach color, and I do have this scrapnik chipboard, decorative chipboard piece. It's very pretty. It's a big chipboard, and it has roses and leaves only, so it perfectly goes with this collection. And you can see I have used this one right here. You cannot see proper everything, like I covered with so many things. It's always happen when you start with the project, some things get hidden. We can't help it, right? But on my other layout you can see properly all the chipboard pieces. And then I'm so glad I had this piece, and I really wanted to give some kind of royal touch to this collection, since it has a roses, and roses are always like a royal garden kind of theme, right? So I have these bird baths, Prima Shabby Chic Treasure resin pieces, and I'm so disappointed. Prima stopped making all these beautiful things, and I don't know, means they are going towards home decor more, so I'm not sure if they are going to make more scrapbooking thing or not. But I am so glad I have so many of these, and I am putting in my kit so everybody get a chance to use these beautiful Prima products. Very cute. And I have used here, of course, again it got hidden, so but you can see right here, and even though they are picking through my flowers little bit, it looks so cute, this whole thing. And I have added one of the Prima chalk edger, and there is no particular color in this kit, but you will get something match with your kit, either seafoam color or green color or peach or pink, something like that. So I'm not mentioning any particular color for this kit, but there you go. Here is your kit, and I have link below in the description box where to purchase, and please stop by and give us a thumbs up and comment and suggestions for my future kits. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.